Hello students, welcome again in our online study class, and today we are on page number 56 and this is our first lesson of part civics, and the name of the lesson is our life in society. And in this lesson we will learn about why did man feel the need for society, the social nature of man, our development, and what is society. These points we have to learn in this lesson. And here you can see the pictures. This picture shows the stage or the development in our life or in our society. First, this picture we are familiar with it. This one, this two, and this three pictures are given here different, and this picture we are familiar with it. It is of stone age. And in this picture we can see when the man agricultural civilization, and here the modern that we are using this type of way, or we are in this age now, in this century. Now in the 5th standard you have learned about the evolution of man. It tells us that our present social life has taken shape through a process of evolution over thousands of years. Man has moved from a nomadic stage to a settled social life. Nomadic stage to a settled social life. This took thousands of years, and these all things from nomadic to the settled life we learn in the class 5th about the evolution of man, about the process of evolution over thousands of years, and the new modern era of the life of human, and this is become a settled social life. In the class 5th already we have learned. Now the first is there, why did man feel the need for society? Society means, what is society? That in this, why did man feel the need for society? Just let me ask you one very simple question. Can you live alone in a home for a week? Can you live? Imagine that you are only in a class. You do not have any friend, you do not have the teachers and so on, just you are alone. Did you like it? Did you like to play alone? No, we can't. Just take your time. Just imagine no one is there in your house, you are alone only for many days. Then what you will do? And after that, what you will think? After 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, then we need someone's company. So a stable and secure community life is necessary for the development of the individual as well as society. Individual or as well as society, a group of people. Society, a group of people or community. And for the stable and secure community life, stable, secure community or society life, we need someone's help. We need, for the development of this individual, this we need a secure and stable life for the development of society and for individual. In the nomadic stage, man did not have this stability and security. Nomadic stage means when the man was not settled, just he do not have its own house, or he just in the nomadic stage means from one place to he where today he is on the one place, then tomorrow he will not return again on the same place. Just he do not have a settled life, just he roams in the forest and he gather his food only. That was in the stone age, and it was the nomadic stage. And man did not have this stability and security. He did not have any, like other animal, he spent his life, just he wanders in the forest, in the jungle, for in the search of food, and he do not have any security and any stability. When man realized that living in a group provides security, people came together to develop an organized way of life. And when man got an idea, if we are in group, we are in group, and if we came together, it will provide us a security. It will provide us security. We can express our feelings, emotion with one another, and we can achieve the development. We can achieve the necessary things that we need in our day-to-day life, and for that he made a group, and they came together to develop an organized way of life. This was one of the main motivations for the creation of society, and from the Stone Age it was the main motivation for the human to come in group, to live in society, and because this is the good and best way to provide security for us. Living in society, man felt the need for rules to help with the smooth functioning of day-to-day matters. If we are in group, then the need of for when man is living now in group, then he need for the smooth functioning of his day-to-day life, he needs some rules. He needs some rules. With the smooth functioning of day-to-day matters, it gave rise of conventions, traditions, ethics, and values, rules, and laws. Man's life in society became more organized and settled or stable. And when the man have an idea that in a group, if we can find the new way for the development, we can express our views and emotion, and we will be safe, or for the security purpose it is very necessary for us. Then he accepted the new way of life, and it needs some of the rules, and it gave us the rise of convention, tradition, ethics, and values, rules, and laws. And man's life in society became more organized. Values, rules, and laws, and traditions, and conventions, these all things were accepted by human being for the smooth functioning of day-to-day life.